What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. This has been from SSA Haus. First of all, I want to take this moment and say, if you like what we're doing so far, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and notification bell so you can see our new video that we put out, okay? If there's certain things you just want to see, just put it on the comment box and then we'll try to address that as much as we can. So today we got a special guest, these two special cars. They're both 964 air-cooled Porsche. One's a 94 and this one's a 92. This is considered the special color, they call it the Amazon green. And this is called something white. This Porsche guy's gonna kill me, but let's talk about the difference between these two cars. I'll talk about this car first, about how special this one is, being that it's 94, C2 white. And then we'll get the owner that's gonna talk about this car. Hopefully, he'll be here. So one thing I want to point out with this car is that it's a 1994 white, which is a small limited number of production in white in 94. This one has the cup wheels, lowered suspension with the Bilstein shocks, and cup exhaust system with the steering wheel. Both low mileage car, very great condition. They're just here today for some annual maintenance. This car was sitting in storage for over a year and a half now. And being that it's almost summer here, the owner wants to get this car prepped and ready for some drive in the summer. Very OEM-like in here, nothing crazy. The only mods that we did is roll bar, the head unit so it can run the Bluetooth application. What makes this car special is that the designer of Porsche, when they create design of the 964 chassis, his name is Benjamin Dimson. He signed this car. Let me show you where he signed this car. Benjamin and the owner of this car, they're very good friends. They grew up in the same compound back in the Philippines. They met here again, reunited. So happens that we picked up this car and he owns this car now and he had it here and we had it signed. Check that out. And then we have this one's more a modern day built where lower wheels and stuff like that, something out of the ordinary that you don't see in the Porsche catalog. This one is set up with the BBS wheels. Also, if you notice the front bumper, the corner lights, that one being a US market has the bumperettes. This one went with the European style without the bumperettes. So that's the only thing different between these two and the style of the build. But everything else is still OEM plus. Amazon green with gray interior, with the Alpine to the period correct. Not updated yet, but both awesome cars, air cooled. People will like it because the way it slams the door. This is what people pay for. And also the way the engine sounds. It doesn't need any coolant, any radiator per se, but it also has an oil cooler, so it acts like a radiator. So both these chassis are cooled down by motor oil instead of a radiator or coolant. I think I have the owner here. Let's see if he can talk a little bit about his car. We'll call him Mr. B. Hey, Mr. B, welcome to the channel. How do you like your car so far? He lost his voice, so we had to do a little talking, interpreting sign language, so. So you enjoying driving this car? Awesome, fits his height, he looks good, car looks good, perfect. How long have you owned this car? 4 years? Yeah, I think about right. I'm glad you're here today, enjoying the Cali weather, and we're ready for a drive soon in summertime. So follow Mr. B. He is well known in the PPF world. He's busy, guys. Follow us for more. Or you like what we do here, just let us know and we'll continue to do what we do. So say bye, Mr. B. See you soon.